Hello friends, welcome to my new blog. I'm Nisha from Florida. Here's Miss Marina with me. So friends, today we are going to buy bird and I want to show you the bird shop. Different variety of birds are there. So come, let's go.
I don't know, it doesn't have much leaf.
Hello, welcome back to Nisha's Diary in the USA. Today we're going to pay a visit to Renee's Bird Grooming and Boarding, and she also sells exotic birds. So stay tuned and you're going to get to see a different amount of different type of species of birds. Nisha probably will be purchasing one, I'm not sure. It is a bird shop. It says it right there. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, wow.
I'm a little jealous of the ring that got
And they have all kinds of items here that you can put in your bird cage. Feeders, little staircases. So many pretty, all kinds of bird cages. So pretty, right, Nisha? You have bird cage already, right, Nisha? This one is 200, but you can put a parrot there. You know, he stays there because this one is nice too. This one $90. See? So you put the parrot there and he stays there. He's not gonna fly away.
And these are the birds.
Oh, that's to so they can lay their eggs. Yeah. Look at these new ones here. This is like made out of wood, recycled wood. That's pretty cool. You have the really big one there. It's pretty.
Yes, what, that one?
Oh, you have bird carriers. Look, so you can carry your bird around. You go on a trip, you take your bird.
That is $32. Oh, they have a sitting.
Oh, look, isn't it a little wooden stick so it can sit on? Isn't that something? Only in the USA. And all the bird toys. Keep them busy while they're in a cage. Bird pinata. This one is nice. This is $40, Nisha, this one. $40? Oh, without the stand. I thought it was with the stand.
Stand is $25.
Yeah. 65 together.
You have, I think, this one outside.
Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, I always like the hanging one.
$25 this and stand is $25. Both together $50.
Oh, $50. Yeah, that's so pretty. That's good, Nisha, because if you put it out,
you can put inside, Andy, inside the house. Yeah?
But you can put outside too.
Yeah.
Because what you do is
in the winter time you can put.
You put them in the house. Yeah, you put it in the house, exactly. This one is very nice. And you can keep this outside and bring them outside, and then in the daytime bring the cage inside. Cover it with the mosquito net. I have. You can get the mosquito thing from Five Below, Nisha. Yeah, get it from there. It's good. Now we're going to look at the birds. Oh, the different varieties of food. Oh my gosh, look at this. All different types of food for all different kinds of birds. Finches, canary, parakeets. They even have and the nuts for the big birds, the peanuts. They have, for the cockatoo, they have dried banana.
Yeah, the dry fruits are
yeah.
the big net.
Oh, and this one. For the African gray and the parrots, they have a mixture of dry fruit. I would eat that too, actually. Right? I will eat it. Oh, yeah, oh, look at how pretty.
Oh, they have two big and white ones. This white one, you
Yeah, this one is so big.
Hello.
This bird bites very hard. Please stay away.
Oh my.
Okay.
Here is a green, here is a green.
Oh, look how beautiful, right? Boarding, do not disturb, bites hard.
Here is the green one, green and yellow. Wow.
Oh, that's pretty. He's 8 years old. This is called the double yellowhead Amazon. Those are the lovebirds. Oh, look at how pretty.
Cockatiel.
The cockatiel.
Oh my god, they are expensive now, I think.
The cockatiel? Look at the two blue ones. That's cockatiel too, right?
No, that is the African loudbird.
Oh, that one? I thought it was baby. No?
No, no, no.
Oh my god, they're so pretty. Those are what, lovebirds?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Before I had the blue one.
Ah.
And the same thing is green and yellow. You can see that one.
Oh yeah, they're so pretty. That's lovebird too? No, Nisha. This is parrotlets female. 200 each. That's a little baby that's gonna turn into like a big giant parrot. See? 200.
200 is the cocktail also.
What?
$200. That is male and female. I think the pair is there.
Oh. The lovebirds?
Oh, this is 130 each.
This used to be $60, $49.
Before, yeah. Now it's 200. If you buy a pair, $400.
Oh my god. I'll just catch the ones up in the air. That one is... Yeah. The finches, right? There's no price here.
Do like the little space heater.
Oh, yeah.
You can put it in the entry room, so it's not in the bird room, so it keeps the area warm too.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's what it's Florida, so it doesn't get cold too often. Aren't they cute?
Look, that peacock, my parakeet.
Yeah. What you think?
But this one is too peacock.
She has one on.
This one is sleeping.
They
they fly
Eso
high.
es claro, sí, sí.
Se nos achocó y creíamos que ya había quedado.
Claro,
Llegó un
claro,
susto
sigue
que yo
ahí.
dije, se la voy a traer.
Oh.
Porque mira, cayó de una manera que no hacía nada.
¿Se cayó de dónde?
Pues en casa se salió, como ya la cogen.
Ajá.
En casa se salió, chocó con la pared y así mismo cayó en la sombra.
Oh, so the bird
Unos
crashed
segundos.
into the wall, fell onto the carpet, and she saw the bird was dead. So she brought it here for him to check it.
Ay, mira qué bueno.
I don't know how much is still flying, but I took some, but I don't want it too much because then they get
Okay.
See, that's good. It's not flying.
Okay.
It can fly, but
Not too high.
no high anymore. It's gone
Ay,
down.
qué bueno. Ahora estamos más tranquilas.
Oh, tú estabas preocupada, ¿verdad?
Susto.
She was worried the bird was dead. So it's such a little peak.
Pero nació en casa. Ella compró huevitos.
Ajá. Oh, ya compró.
You got the keys, baby? Alright. Hello.
Hi. Oh, I see. Okay, so here's the bird, and it's in its cage. Oh, there's the food and some toys for it to hang on. It is a parakeet. It's sleeping now. Maybe later on it'll wake up, start chirping. This is the end of the video. Nisha's diary. Bird in the USA.
So friends, we set up the cage here for our bird. We hang the cage. Now our bird is happy in the cage. We put food and water we have to put. So this is the end of our video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.